Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on similarity. If two triangles have exactly the same shape, with the corresponding interior angles being exactly the same, then the two triangles are said to be similar. Note that the two triangles do not have to be exactly the same size. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And those symbols there mean similar to, and that little symbol here just means triangle. It saves you writing the word. So ABC is similar to D, E and F. We can see that the triangles are the same shape, and the angle A is equal to angle D, angle C is equal to angle F, and angle B is equal to angle E. Same ratio. Another important fact about similar triangles is that the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. The following example will illustrate this fact. The two triangles are similar. So here we have a triangle where the sides are 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters and 9 centimeters. This triangle here is similar to this one. It's just larger, okay, but it is similar. In other words, the 6 doubles to 12, the 9 doubles to 18, and the 7 doubles to 14. So all the sides are in the same ratio. Of course, all of these sides here, each of these respective sides, are multiplied by 2 to give you each of these respective sides. Scale factor. The scale factor tells us how much a figure has been enlarged or reduced. In each example, both figures are similar. So if this triangle is similar to this one, if that hypotenuse is 5 centimeters and this hypotenuse is 15 centimeters, the scale factor is 15 over 5 because it's been enlarged. You can see from there to there there's been an enlargement, and that's why the scale factor is 3. It's not a fraction. It has not been reduced. Here's an example here where this triangle has been reduced to that size. See, of course I've got the arrow coming from that triangle to this one, so there's been a reduction, so we expect the scale factor to be a fraction. So the scale factor will be 7 over 14, which is a half. Note that the above rules also apply for other polygons and closed figures. Now, in this video we've just used triangles to introduce the idea of similarity, but these rules also apply to squares, pentagons, hexagons, and other closed figures.